Hi, this is Kevin with Lakeside Acres, and if you've elected for the trial period with our golf cart through our sister company, Lakeside PWC, then you will find this parked in the garage when you arrive, and it will be hooked to the charger. The charger is right here. Pretty simple, goes in and out. You'll see it's got, there's a little arrow on the top here, plugs right in. Anytime you aren't using the golf cart, go ahead and just leave this plugged in. If you have it throughout the day and it's not being used, that's fine, but at night, definitely make sure you do have it plugged in. So it's a golf cart, it's pretty simple. It is a 4-seat, and this back seat also folds out. It's great for moving kayaks if you want to. Once you fold this out into the bed, you can put the kayaks on here at an angle, and we supply a bungee cord so that way you can have those on there. And it will be clean when you arrive. As far as operation of the golf cart, when you do get in, you're gonna see that obviously you've got your ignition here, and to the right of that, you've got a reverse and forward. So the parking brake is very easy to set. You just press in on the left side, press in, and you'll see it clicks. To release the parking brake, you'll just hit the gas. You'll find the key will be in the cup holder when you arrive, and it is an electric cart, so all you have to do is press that, and you'll be on your way. As far as other things, this does have a windshield that can fold up in case it rains, just so you know. Clips around easily. Most of the time we leave it down. You got cup holders, believe it or not, you've got some charging ports in here. Other than that, it's literally just hit the gas and go. When you get down to the lake area, that's our dock right ahead. And if you look, you'll see a little yellow sign there, and it's pretty obvious where our property line ends and the Corps of Engineers property begins, because we cut all the way up to that line. It is okay to drive temporarily up to the dock, drop things off, drop people off, whatever the case may be. But when it is time to park the golf cart and you want to leave it down here, so for example, you go on the kayaks or you have a boat and you want to go on the boat, do make sure that when you park it, you take it back past this line and park it on the side, just in case anybody else would come down this road, and park past this sign. Put the parking brake on so it can't roll back. And make sure you take the key with you so that way nobody could possibly take it. Most of the property is fine to cruise around in, but do watch out for certain hazards. There is a ditch that runs through here for drainage, and you'll recognize it by the tall grass. We do have a little reflector out over here. Watch out for that, because you cannot make it past that if you try to. In the back of the yard here, there is a very large walking hill, and it's steep, and it goes down to our dock as well. No matter how much liquid courage you may have had during the day, do not attempt to drive down this in the golf cart. You will go into the water. Do not attempt to drive up this hill. You will flip the golf cart over backwards and hurt yourself. So do make sure you do not attempt to drive the golf cart on this hill. When you're done enjoying the cart for the night, just back up, back into the garage, make sure you put it in forward so that way it doesn't beep. Turn it off, put the key back in the cup holder, plug it in, and you'll be ready for your next ride.